Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtline, and today's video we will be doing another unboxing of my new camera. But before we jump right in, go ahead and consider subscribing and becoming part of the Simply K family. Like or give me a big thumbs up on this video if you did enjoy it or you do find it interesting. And share it with your family and friends. It just lets YouTube know that you do like these type of content. And as always, leave me a comment on your thoughts on today's video. If you have any questions considering the camera I will be unboxing today, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Okay guys, so today, from the title, the intro, everything, I will be unboxing my new camera. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for today's video. It will be the Sony, it will be the Sony ZV-1F vlog or vlogger's camera. I went ahead and made a purchase on Amazon, so I do have the box right here. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into opening it. So excited guys, so excited. I really wanted to open this before, but I'm like, you know what, let me go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. All right, so I did go ahead and get the bundle of everything. So this is the camera. I got a microphone, and I also got a stand or a tripod, mini tripod. All right guys, I wanted to tell you a little bit about the camera. Disclaimer before I read all this stuff off from Amazon: I am not a tech person by any means. Some of this stuff I know what it means, some of it I do not. So do not come for me if I say anything or do anything that, you know, is not a tech channel. I'm just simply showing you guys an unboxing, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about the camera. So as I mentioned, I'll be reading off some stuff here from Amazon about the camera. It says ultra wide 20mm lens, gets everything all in one frame. Even if you are like doing like arm's length selfies, you can get everything in one frame. Also, large 1 sensor and f2 lens for low light and defocusing background. Stays focused with I-AF and autofocus tracking technology. Side articulating touchscreen, LCD to have an easy, they said, selfie shot. And then lastly, it says clear voice with directional 3 capsule mic and windscreen accessory. So I guess when they're speaking of the touchscreen, they're referring to this. And then we do have the wind connection, this little thing right here. So yeah, informational stuff for the camera. That's basically what I got here. And once again, this is the Sony ZV-1F digital camera. Have the cord. See, there's something else wrapped in here. Take that out. Okay, so it does come with 1 battery, which I really wish it came with more, but I can always grab me some more. One battery. Guys, isn't she pretty? Oh my gosh. Okay. So let's see what else is in here. Okay, so I guess this is what they're talking about when they say clear voice with directional 3 capsule. I'm sorry, I'm messing this up so bad, but I guess this is what they're talking about. For wind and air and stuff like that. It's a vlogging camera. I'm not sure I'm going to do any type of vlogging with this. Maybe, we'll see on the channel. But that's what it comes with pretty much. Let me go ahead and open up the microphone. Ooh, nice. So I do have a little puff ball for my microphone. And I'll have like a screenshot somewhere on the screen here or here of actually how it looks on Amazon. But this is the microphone. And I guess this little bad boy will go somewhere here on the top. Like so. Do have a little dust bag that it came in. Really like this little presentation. And it has the cord that you can go ahead and attach the microphone to the camera. Here we have it, and this is a vlogger kit basically, and this is the tripod. So these are sold separately. As I mentioned, I grabbed the bundle, so you can buy the camera by itself or you can bundle it with the other stuff. So this is my SD card. It's 64 gigabytes. I'm gonna get another one of those. Let's see how to open this box. Oh, there we go. I have another little dust bag. And I guess the instruction manual, pamphlet, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Oh, this is awesome, guys. So awesome. I guess you can set it up like this because it has this little stand. These buttons, photo, mode, lock. Don't know what this is, but yeah, really, really nice. Looks like it has some sort of a battery here. First camera, I just have to figure out how to set it up and get it working. Don't know how to do that yet. I will be watching a bunch of YouTube just to get an understanding of the camera itself. But this is it. can't wait to start using this. Oh my gosh. All right, so as I mentioned before, I am not a tech person. If I did mess up a lot of this video, I know nothing about technology. I know a little, but not a whole lot when it comes to this stuff. So this is my little unboxing of the camera, the stand, and it does, as I mentioned, come with a battery, an SD card, 64 gigabytes, and a microphone. This is the bundle that Amazon has. You can go ahead and purchase this as just with the camera, no bundle or anything, but I wanted to get everything. I will leave a link on Amazon or for Amazon of everything that I got. I do have an Amazon storefront, guys, so feel free to check that out. I will have everything that I got on that storefront for you. If you have any questions, concerns, or anything pertaining to this video, how the camera turned out, how it worked, I will have those answers for you in the comment section. So just drop me your thoughts, your comments, anything. I want to thank you so much for clicking on this video and sticking around till the end. I really appreciate all the love and support that I've gotten on my channel. I love you guys. I will go ahead and catch you all in my next video. Bye.